Tasi!
Hello, little learners. Are you ready for an outstanding new letter? It's the outstanding letter O. Can you say it with me? O. 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 This is uppercase O. It makes an O sound like in orange or open. This is lowercase o. O is for octopus, waves happily. Ostrich, large and speed. Oval, like ostrich egg. Let's trace the letter O in the air. Start at the top, go around, and close the circle.
O is the letter that's really sweet. O is the letter that's really sweet. O is the letter that's really sweet. Yum da the reds just go roll board neat.
O is for orange, juicy and round. Octopus swimming where treasures are found. Oval shapes, all smooth and neat. O is the letter that's really sweet.
Outstanding job, friends. Wave goodbye to ostrich, octopus, and the owl. See you next time for the next letter.